Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable animated GIFs on Discord for your PC after the latest update. If you find those moving images a bit distracting, follow these simple steps to turn them off. First, start by opening your Discord app. You can find it on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Once it's up and running, we can move on to the next step. Next, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen, right next to your username. This is the User Settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down the list on the left side until you see the Accessibility option. Click on it to access your accessibility settings. Finally, scroll down a little within the Accessibility menu until you find the option that says Automatically Play GIFs when Discord is focused. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click that switch to turn it off. Once it's gray, you've successfully disabled the automatic playback of GIFs while using Discord. And there you have it. You've now customized your Discord experience to avoid those animated GIF distractions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.